Get ready for the dictation. Start. This article deals with an essay on road rage. Stop. Road rage refers to aggressive or angry behavior which is displayed by a driver of a road vehicle. Stop. Furthermore, these behaviors consist of rude and offensive gestures, verbal insults, threats, and dangerous driving methods. Stop. Moreover, drivers or pedestrians become the targets of such negative behaviors. Stop. Most noteworthy, the main motive behind such behavior is to intimidate others or release frustration and anger. Stop. Also, the various strategies of road raging consist of long horn honks, tailgating, swerving, and aggressive physical behavior. Stop. Para. The behavior of a stressful driver is dependent on the driver's coping abilities. Stop. Also, drivers who display high aggression often indulge in direct confrontation strategies when they face stress during driving. Stop. It seems like drivers who experience road rage also commit more traffic violations. Stop. Driving certainly presents many stress to a driver who is driving a vehicle. Stop. Para. There is a direct positive correlation between driving stress and road rage. Stop. As the driving stress increases, similarly, the livelihood of a person committing road rage increases dramatically. Stop. Para. Furthermore, younger males are more likely to indulge in road rage behavior in comparison to other types of people. Stop. Most cases of road rage take place due to cutting in and cutting out of traffic, parking spots, disputes, rude gestures, and lane changes. Stop. Para. Some experts believe that people who customize their cars with stickers and adornments are more susceptible to road rage behavior. Stop. Psychologists probably don't consider road rage as a mental disorder. Stop. Para. There was an article published from the Associated Press in 2006 which said road rage behavior can be the result of intermittent explosive disorder. Stop. Adults numbering 9,200 in the United States came to this conclusion in a survey. Stop. The funding of these surveys was made by the National Institute of Mental Health. Stop. Para. Every essay on road rage must make mention of the scope of road rage. Stop. Most road rage incidents take place as a result of ignorance or misunderstanding of the driver. Stop. This ignorance or misunderstanding can be due to the failure of a driver to look on the road while taking a turn or forgetting to switch off the turn signal. Stop. Many people seem to take things the wrong way. Stop. Para. Countless road accidents take place due to simple mistakes on the road. Stop. However, not every rage action leads to an accident but certainly involves aggressive acts. Stop. Furthermore, any individual may commit road rage irrespective of gender, ethnicity, religion, age or culture. Stop. Para. The most aggressive driving accidents consist of much more than just a vile word or offensive gesture. Stop. Sometimes the use of weapons is made in road rage incidences. Stop. Most noteworthy road rage takes place in various actions and forms from time to time. Stop.